In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sign-up forms for Shopify in Klaviyo. Let's start right inside your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, select Apps. In the search field, type Klaviyo and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store, where you can browse matching apps. From the search results, look for the app called Klaviyo, Email Marketing and SMS. Click on it, then go ahead and install it. Shopify will walk you through a few installation prompts. You may need to approve permissions and either log in to an existing Klaviyo account or create a new one. If you are creating an account, Klaviyo may send a confirmation email to the address you used. Open that email, click the confirmation button or link inside, and you'll be brought back into your Klaviyo account, now connected to your Shopify store. Once you're inside Klaviyo, look over to the left-hand panel. Find the section labeled Website and click it to expand the options underneath. From there, choose Sign Up Forms. This is where you can manage all of your forms. You'll see options to use a welcome form, create your own from scratch, or choose from other templates. For this walkthrough, we'll use a welcome form template, which is a great starting point for capturing new subscribers. Click on the template you want and then click Edit. A message may pop up letting you know that the form will be saved as a draft once you open it in the editor. Click Continue to move into the editing screen. Inside the editor, you'll see your form preview on the right and all of your editing and styling options on the left. Along the top of the preview are tabs representing the different steps of the sign-up form, such as teaser, hook, and email opt-in. On the left sidebar, you have several main sections. If you click Styles, you can adjust the form type, side image, background, and overall form styles. You can also customize text and headings, link styles, input field text and borders, and the close icon. When you're done in this area, use the back icon at the top of the sidebar to return. Next, you can click Targeting and Behavior. Under the Display tab, you can control when and how the form appears, including timing, whether to use lead capture with Shop Pay, how often it shows, which devices it appears on, whether clicking outside the form closes it, and any custom triggers you want to use. Under the Targeting tab, you can refine who sees the form based on visitor type, specific URLs, geographic location, UTM parameters, and even cart contents. Again, use the back icon to go out of this section. If you choose Add Block, you can insert new elements into your form, such as additional text, input fields, or a phone number field. These blocks let you collect the exact information you need while keeping the design flexible. Anytime you want to edit a specific block in a form step, simply click it directly in the preview. Its settings and styling options will appear on the left sidebar, where you can adjust content, colors, sizes, and more. You can also switch between the tabs at the top of the preview to move through different steps of the form and customize each one individually. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. This will push your sign-up form live on your Shopify store so visitors can start subscribing right away.